30 minus 12 will give 18 divided by 2 times 3 will give 6, and the answer here will be 3, which is wrong. So this is a wrong answer. How do we solve this? Because the answer is definitely not 3. So what is the best way to solve this? We will be using the PEMDAS rule, which shows that we have to solve multiplication and division before we subtract. So now let's first solve the exponent here, so that now we'll be having 30 minus 12 divided by 6. Since 2 times 3 is 6, now we have to divide before we subtract. So this will be 30 minus 12 divided by 6 will give 2, and this answer now will be 28. So the correct answer to this is not 3, it is 28.